If you have an OnlyFans account, call us right now, judgment-free, 800-682-1075. Want to get some inside information, but while Man-Kisser Matt's getting some people on the phone that have OnlyFans accounts, and you can be anonymous, by the way, and again, judgment-free here, there is a group of kids, or couple kids, that got kicked out of a Catholic school in California after some moms at the Catholic school found out that another mom had an OnlyFans account, and they were like, ooh, and they told the powers to be.
What were they like, Jared?
Ooh. An OnlyFans account is like when you are doing naughty things?
Yeah, Squid explained.
Yeah.
He subscribes to many.
Yeah, are you on it?
Or he used to.
I'm not.
Oh,
I'm not.
okay, not
I've
anymore.
been tempted to.
Yeah.
Definitely.
What is it, Squid?
It's people make accounts like any other social media, and they post promiscuous videos or pictures, and people pay to follow or subscribe to them.
Okay.
So they can see their pictures every month.
I think a lot of strippers do that.
I wouldn't be surprised.
Yeah.
And a lot of celebrities, I think, wasn't it Cardi B or maybe Nicki Minaj who decided that they were going to go on, and they had an OnlyFans account?
That's right, she did.
Yeah,
but does it have to be promiscuous? Or
it does not. Technically, you can do anything, but that's what got it really going. So, like, celebrities like Nicki Minaj and, like, artists, sometimes they, like, maybe will preview a song that other people won't hear unless they're...
Yeah.
Boring.
And Matt said earlier, if you don't put the naked pictures on there, people get really mad at you.
Yeah.
But this mom apparently was making $150,000.
What?
A month.
Dang.
No. Oh my God! How can I get Carol signed up?
OnlyFans.com.
Wow.
She's known as Tiffany Poindexter or Miss Poindexter on OnlyFans. And
Jason picks up his
all these articles have pictures. I mean, she's okay, but I can't believe $150,000 a month. But anyway, these kids were kicked out of the Catholic school because their mom's on an OnlyFans account. The kids aren't on it; their mom's on it.
Yeah. And how do you think she's paying for the Catholic school? That way.
Yeah,
That's how
exactly.
she's paying.
My gosh, though, there's something hot about this entire thing. It's like the fact that she's a Catholic mom doing this.
Right.
Yeah.
I'm not going to be able to stand up for a little bit.
Jason, untuck your shirt, please. Let's go to Anonymous. Anonymous, and we'll get more into the story, but we have some questions about the OnlyFans. So you used to have an OnlyFans account?
Yes. I just shut it down about 2 months ago.
All right.
Why would you do such a thing?
Why would you shut it
Well,
down?
I only got one because I lost my job because of COVID, and I have kids to support, so that seemed like a good option at the time. And I made a lot of money on it, but...
How much?
I made $10,000 in 2 months.
$10,000 in 2 months. Now, how much work is it? Like, what are you just posting nude photos, or is it a video? Is it a video, Chap Squid, too?
No, it's not all nude, and that's what a lot of people think that it is. It's not. You don't have to do that. Sometimes I would post just as regular daily clothes. You don't have to post nude photos, and that was one thing that I refused to do.
Are you on a pig farm?
Is there a pig in the car? Something's making a noise.
No, it must be my air.
Your air conditioning?
Her earring, maybe? I don't know.
I just turned it down.
Her air conditioning.
So you're saying you got fans to join this just because you were holding up pictures of outfits, or did you do any nude photos?
I did lingerie photos, but never fully nude. I wouldn't do that.
So you made $10,000 in 2 months, and you did lingerie photos.
Yes.
Are you good looking?
I like to think so.
Well, I'm just thinking, how does somebody make $10,000 in 2 months? I mean, seriously, I would go one step further. I'm like, Carol, show him a little. Then you make $20,000 a month. You know what I mean? You must be super hot. You have to be super hot because you can see that anywhere.
I don't know. I think there's something, because it's somebody that you might know that's in your feed. You're like, oh, they're naked? You know, like if Katie had an OnlyFans account, maybe you'd be like, really? And then you might be curious.
I bet you.
Go check it out.
I bet you Katie could actually make a lot of money, because I hear a lot of times that people always envision what Katie looks like.
Yes.
and they're going to think this hot blonde. So I think that she could get a lot of people to sign up.
I agree.
And then they would quickly unsubscribe. Jason, is that what you're going to say?
Well, at least you get
I'd get their money.
You might be able to make $100,000 in 1 month.
Right.
Just do it for a month.
Yeah.
Okay, be right back. Gonna go.
Katie. You're a Catholic mom.
Yeah, I am a Catholic mom.
And this Catholic mom's making $150,000 a month. We're going to another anonymous that also, I think, currently has an OnlyFans account. How long have you had it, and how much do you make?
So I've only had it for, I would say, a couple of months. And I haven't really made too much. I think I've made maybe close to 60, but that's just because there for a while I was like, I don't know if I really want to do this.
$60 or 60,000?
$60, not 60,000.
Oh, okay.
So, and you don't have to post nudes. You can. There are people out there that have like their feet fetishes and stuff, and you can post like just your feet. You don't have to post your face.
Interesting.
So what are you posting?
And so, I don't post my face. I do kind of like below the face, and then just feet for those that like it.
But you're posting nude photos below the face?
Yes.
Okay.
And you only got $60? We need a marketing director or something.
Let us help you.
Yeah. So, and then also people on Twitter, like they promote their OnlyFans, so that kind of helps them get the subscribers. And you don't have to have people pay to subscribe to you, but then you can make them pay for your photos. So then they get like little teasers, and then they have to pay more to get like the extra good stuff.
And with this account, I mean, I'm sure they all operate the same way, but like, can you message each other and like you can meet people to hook up, or is this just like you're just scrolling through your feed and you see what you see and you keep moving?
So you can message them, and you can actually send them photos through the messages, and then they pay you. The only thing is OnlyFans makes it to where you have to have a certain amount of money in your account before you cash it out. So if someone pays you $10 for a photo, you can't get that money right then. You have to have, I think, $20. And they did that after the Bella Thorne incident, when she made like thousands of dollars overnight. And they were just trying to make it easier for everyone, but it ended up making it a lot harder.
Okay.
Well, I mean, I'm just thinking. I said I would do anything for $1 million, but if it was that girl's making $150,000 a month.
A month.
Right?
Yeah.
I mean,
Are you doing the math?
I have a microphone. I mean, it's going to be humiliating as hell for me.
Check out Jason Goodman's OnlyFans account.
Jason.
I'm considering it. And you can see my Biden tattoo.
It's on his butt.
A little close up.
All oiled up. Yeah.
I mean, that's pretty good.
It's incredible. And if
if
you see this Catholic mom whose kids got kicked out of Catholic school because she's on OnlyFans, I mean, she's okay. I mean, it's not like you wouldn't. If you saw her on the street, like, oh, she's an attractive woman, but you wouldn't be like,
I saw
oh
her.
my
Yeah.
God.
I saw her.
Yeah.
It's something hot about it, though.
But for like 1.5 million plus a year?
But see, that's the thing. It's worldwide. So we have the microphone. We have the podcast. I could put me and Carol up there, promote it for 3 months, right? I mean, even if they delete it after, like, oh, we didn't like what we saw, that's fine, too. If you get the money, you're done. You're golden. How can I convince her to do this? Seriously.
Get Carol on the phone.
You're golden.
He's so frantic right now. He's, how do I do it?
It's a lot of money.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a lot of money.
And on Twitter, I read about this yesterday on Twitter, and that was her whole niche, was she was like posing as a promiscuous mom. But she never got actually nude. She was just in lingerie and stuff, being all seductive.
And she's married, and her husband took the photo. So I mean, it's like a Jason Goodman Carol thing going on there.
That is wonderful.
Now, Jason, would you go nude on there to make some money?
I just said.
Okay, you would.
Yes.
All right.
Anything.
I would
Fully
be,
nude?
If I could make $150,000,
Yep.
not only would I be fully nude and let people say what they wanted me to do to myself. If you were smart, I would be running commercials on this station about it and paying for them.
Right.
Seriously.
Can I be your endorser?
Jared here for Jason's
OnlyFans. Man, you want to see something special?
Wow.
I mean, if you're making that much money, we can all kind of endorse
Yeah,
it.
we can all
Share
we
the
all
wealth.
make money.
Wow.
Isn't that crazy?
If you found out that okay, I know our kids are not in the private school, but if you found out that parents had an account, would you rat them out?
No.
I would never do that. I mean, I would gossip like hell behind their backs, and I would share the profile to all my friends. Like, did you see?
Yeah.
But I would never route them out to the school.
No. No, I can see
the kid's fault.
Maybe if a teacher had it, because teachers have to go by all sorts of different rules.
Yeah, teachers different.
But although that could be a big money maker.
And it's not the kid's fault that the mom was doing
it's
it.
not
No,
at
not at all.
Well, we do have our official attorney, Lisa Lanier, on the phone. I'm not sure if she has an OnlyFans account or not.
That's why she called. Yeah.
I don't.
Well, with a lawyer, I mean, there's a no. You probably. I'm kidding. But yeah, in this. So what is she? The mom's not doing anything illegal. The mom doesn't work at the school, as far as any article I've read. The kids are just going there. She's paying for them to go there. How can they do this?
Well, it is private school, and it's it's very different than public school, where teachers and principals in public schools are much more accountable to the public. You know, they have a school board, they have state laws that vary slightly from state to state that often give people, like students and parents, due process rights. And then there's been a series of cases that say the 14th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, the due process clause that says you can't deprive someone of life, liberty, or property, applies to education, to public education. But none of that. That's all out the window. So it's very different. If this same scenario happened in public school, no way. There's no way a kid's getting kicked out because their mom is posing semi-nude or nude or whatever on OnlyFans. But in private school, very different. They absolutely can do this. In fact, private schools are kind of known for having a philosophy of, we're so prestigious, you're so lucky to be here, you pay us your money and don't ask questions and don't make waves.
Well, let me ask you a question. So basically, it looks like they can discriminate on a certain level of people being, but they can't do anything. They can't discriminate based on race, religion, sex, like that, right?
Well, they can still have same-sex. They can have just girls. They can have an all-girls school. They can have an all-boys school. That is still allowed. But they can't discriminate on the basis of someone's race and that sort of thing. But, here it's not anything about that. It's just, here it's the same kind of thing. Just like people find that if they start complaining about teachers in a private school, or your kid is a troublemaker, the parents are troublemakers, you name it. They're notorious for being able to do this. So, short of just really overt race discrimination or something like that, they can pretty much do whatever they want. And parents kind of learn the hard way, that you don't make waves in private school, or you and your kid will be out of there. And here, the lady, like you said, doing nothing illegal, doing nothing, but it's a Catholic school, and so I'm sure they have a moral code of ethics type thing, a code of there's a morality clause a lot of times in those contracts. So she may have even been advised that the families are held to a certain standard, or it may just be unwritten. Either way, they can totally get away with it.
They can do whatever they want.
I still think she made out in the whole deal, because the fact of the matter, kids went to Catholic school, but she made $150,000 a month. I would just move. Send it to another school.
Well, now it's a worldwide story, and everyone knows her username now.
Yeah.
So
She's probably
it's going to go through the roof.
$1 million.
Millions of
Yeah,
dollars.
Mrs. Poindexter's making a lot more money now.
Yep. She's getting all the OnlyFans money. All right, official attorney of Jared and Katie in the morning. She went to law school to talk about nude websites. Just kidding. If you're ever injured on the job, contact her right away at hireaheavyweight.com. They do all sorts of other things as well. But yeah, crazy.
Unbelievable.
She's a millionaire. The lady's a millionaire. And now everyone knows her OnlyFans account.